The Four Facet Prism lights use amber, orange, and red LEDs. The controller has 3 different outputs that modulate the LEDs at different rates, so it gives you a little bit of flame movement. There are 6 different flicker modes on the controller and a total of 10 speeds. To assemble the prism lights, take the 4-pin header, install it into the prism light. Align the arrow on the prism light body with the arrow on the 4-pin cable, and on the other end install the other 4-pin header into the cable. Align the arrow on the cable with the arrow on the controller body. The facets on the prism light head give a bit of a mixing and a short-range projection of flame effects. Amber, orange, and red LEDs that flicker at different rates. You get a little bit of a color change in the flame appearance of the light, a little bit of amber and orange and a little bit of red hues at different times. The controllers are fairly easy to use. There's a mode button and a center button that has on and off and speed, and a lower button that puts it into somewhat of a static dimming mode where you press that bottom button and there'll be no movement, and you can dim it in a static mode with the center button. The kits are available on Amazon in 2 packs, and they run off of a 9-volt battery, not included. Thanks for watching today, and please subscribe to our channel.